Next question number 4. Adjacent figure in a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following point. There is a number line. Okay. Then here is the first question. If point D is positive 8, then which point is negative 8? Here point D is positive 8 and which point is negative 8? Then here this point is 0. Then from the 0 how many units forward? This D 8 units. Then from the 0 how many units below 8 units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which is the negative 8? Then negative 8 is which point? Negative 8 is F, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is its answer? Then if point D is positive 8, then which point is negative 8? Then its answer point F is negative 8. The next question is point G negative integer or positive integer. Where is this point G? This point G, where is this number? This upward numbers are then above numbers are positive numbers and below the 0 all the numbers are negative numbers. Therefore G is which number? G is negative number. Then G point G is negative. Point G is negative integer. Then next write the integer for point B and point E. Then C. Point B and point E. Point B look positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this point B is positive 4 and point E is point E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So this is positive or negative? Negative 12. The next question D. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Which point marked on this number line has least value? Which is the least value? Then point E marked least value. The next question, if I write yourself, arrange all the point in decreasing order of value. All the point you write decreasing order. Right? This you can write decreasing order. Decreasing order means biggest to smallest. So start from D. Then you write its answer yourself. The next question number 5. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Then place temperature and the year. Question number 5. Then Siachen 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. The next, Ahmedabad. -30°C above 0°C, and Delhi 20°C above 0°C, Srinagar 5°C above 0°C. So then first question, look, write the temperature of this place in the form of integer in the blank column. There is a blank column is given in your textbook. You write its integers in the blank. Now look here, 10°C below. So this is below, so we can take -10. Integer we can write -10. Then this is 2°C below. This also -2. The next 30°C above 0°C. This above 0 we take a positive number and below 0 we take a negative number. So this is what is positive or negative? Positive 30. Then balance 2 questions you can find it. You can write it yourself. The next question number B. Look, the following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Then plot the name of the city against its temperature. And follow one. Look, -25, -20, -15, -10, -5, then 0, positive like +5, 10, 15, likewise you should complete this line. And listen here plot the name of the city against its temperature. You write the name of the city against this temperature. Look at this 0, 10, -10 or 10°C. Where is the -10 integer? -10 is. And here you mark which CH. Here CH. And next 2°C. Where is 2°? -2° means -2° here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -2. So this point represents Shimla. This is Shimla. And Ahmedabad 30°C. Where is 30°C? This is 20, 25, here 30. So here Ahmedabad. This point represents Ahmedabad. Likewise, Bharat also you write. Do you understand how to write its answer? Likewise, then you write its answer. The next question number from this. Then from this number line you find out the second next question C. Then which is the coolest place? Which is the coolest place? Look, Siachen -10, Shimla -2, then Ahmedabad +30, Delhi +20, and Srinagar negative. Here Srinagar will come. Then which is the coolest place? Here coolest place is what is answer? Siachen. Siachen. Answer C is Siachen. The next D, write the name of the place where temperatures are above 10°C. Above 10°C, which place is temperature? Ahmedabad and Delhi. So D answer. Ahmedabad 30° and Delhi. Delhi how many degrees? Positive means 20°C above 0°C. The next question number 6. In which of the following pair, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Question number 6. First you can write number line. 0. Take equal distance. 1, 2, 3. This was total 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. Then look question number 6. In each of the following pair, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Then first question, A, 2 and 9. Here 2, which pair 2 and 9. Which is the right of the other? How to write its answer? Which number? This 2 and this 9. Which is the right of the other? Right of the other number. So here look, 2 or 9. That 9 is right of 2. So we can write 9. 9 is to the right of 9 is right of 2. Then we look negative 3, negative 8. Look this one negative 3 and negative 8. Which is right? Look negative 8 and negative 3 take. Which is right? Then when we take these two numbers, this is right side and this is left side. So we can write which number is negative 3 is to the right of negative 8. So and B, what is answer? Negative 3 is to the right of negative 8. The next 0, negative 1. This 0 and negative 1. Then question number C. What is its answer? Which number is right? 0 is right of which number? Negative 1. So we can write 0 is to the right of negative 1. Is it clear how to write it? Then balance you can write it. The next question number 7. Write the integers between the given pair. Write them in increasing order. Increasing order means number write smallest to biggest. Question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pair. Then first 0 and negative 1. Yeah. 0 and negative 7. With this pair. Then between how many numbers? Between 0 and negative 7. Look, this 0 and negative 7. How many numbers? Look, negative 6, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. This is right in which order? Increasing order. Then increasing order start from answer. the integers between 0 and 1. Integers between 0 and -7 are writing increasing order. So start from negative smallest number. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So its answer is this. Then B will go -4 and 4, which is this -4 and 4. How many integers are B? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So integers between 0 and 4 and -4 are. So question number B, 4 and -4. The numbers write in which order? Increasing order. So we can write 4 and -4 are which number? Negative. Look, number line has to be -3, -2, -1. So 1, 2. Write it increasing order. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then balance, 2 question balance. So its answer, write it. You should write it. Its answer. The next question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than -10. Greater than -20. You can write many numbers. Means greater than -20. So greater than -20. Question number 8. Yeah. -90, -70, -2, -1. Any number we can write. Means left side of the right of the -20. Right of the -20 we can write any from. So you write any number. Here I write -90, -70, -2, -1. Any number. The next write 4 negative integers less than -10. Less than -10. This is more than. This look. Left side, right side numbers are more than number, left side numbers less than number. So, any, how many numbers are? Any 4 negative numbers. So, question number B, -50, -100, -80, -200. Or example means less. All these numbers are less than -10. So you can write it. This answer also you can write any number from the number line. The next question number 9. For the following statement, write true for true, T and false for F. The statement is false. Correct the statement. -8 is to the right of -10 on a number line. Next question number 9. -8 is to the right of -10. Look, -8 and -10. -8 is the right of -10. This is true or false? This is true. So, yeah, you can write it. -100 is to the right of -50 on a number line. Is it true? -100 is the right of -50. This is true or false? Then this is false. Then what is its correct answer? of negative 50 on number line. Or you can write negative 50 is the right of negative 100. The next question number C. Smallest negative integer is negative 1. Is it true? This is false. Then we cannot find out the smallest negative integers. Smallest negative integer not impossible to find out. Then next negative 26 is greater than negative 25. Negative 26 is greater than negative 25. This is wrong. So this is false. Means negative 25 is greater than negative 26. The next question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Then question number 10, one question I will do. But while solve the questions, you should do yourself. Then question number 10. Which number line? Which number will be reached if we move 4 number to the right of negative 20? Then first we draw a number line. Take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Then read the question. Which number will we reach if we move 4 number to the right of negative 20? Then 4 number to the right of negative 20. Then right of negative 20 means we go this right side. Then from negative to how many number? 4 number to the right. 4 number means this 1 number, 2, 3, 4. So which number will we reach? We will reach so this answer we will reach positive 2. Likewise, balance. How many questions balance? 3 questions balance. You should find its answer yourself. First you draw number line and read question carefully and find its answer. And this exercise 6.1 you should write to your fair copy. Thank you.